If you want to reach a global audience and boost your store's credibility, adding multiple languages to your Shopify store is one of the simplest but most powerful upgrades you can make. Today, you'll learn exactly how to set it up, quickly, clearly, and step by step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your main control center and the place where every important customization begins. Once you're inside, look toward the lower left corner and click on Settings. This section holds all the tools that shape your store's functionality, including the option we need today. Inside the Settings menu, find and select Languages. This is where the real magic happens. You'll now see a page dedicated to managing the languages available on your store. Click Add a Language, a drop-down menu will appear, giving you access to a wide range of languages supported by Shopify. Take a moment to choose the language that best serves your audience or the market you want to expand into. Once you've selected it, click Add, and just like that, the new language becomes part of your store's system. At this point, remember that adding a language doesn't automatically translate your content. You may need to use Shopify's built-in translation, tools, third-party translation app, or even professional translators to make sure your descriptions, menus, and product pages look polished and accurate in every language. Offering multiple languages doesn't just make your store more accessible. It builds trust, strengthens your brand's global presence, and can significantly improve your conversions. Nothing feels more personalized to a customer than browsing in their own language, and Shopify makes it incredibly simple to deliver that experience. That's all for today's guide on adding multiple languages to your Shopify store. If this walkthrough helped you, feel free to stick around for more practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.